Hello, hello, hello. Hey, you guys. This is Mrs. O. Sorry for the delay in the video, but today we're going to do Zuppa Toscana soup. If you guys ever been to Olive Garden, they have a soup there called Zuppa Toscana, and it's with the sausage, the potatoes, and the kale. It's really good. So I'm going to make this for you guys. So let me get started with the ingredients. Okay, in this pot here, I did 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I did 1/2 of a large onion chopped finely and 2 garlic cloves. And what I'm going to add to this, I want to show you guys, is bratwurst. I took it out of the casing and I'm just going to saute the meat. I did bratwurst instead of Italian sausage because to me, bratwurst have a wonderful flavor. So I'm just going to pour it in this pan here. And hopefully, yep, the steam is going to kind of mess with my video. Okay, but you guys can see right here. So what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to brown this up and get it, nicely brown and drain the grease off. And I'm going to come back, and my daughter is here, so I'll be able to show you the rest of the ingredients where you can actually see me and the rest of the ingredients. So hang tight. I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm back, and I want to show you the bratwurst that I did with the garlic and the onion. I'm sorry, I had to use a big pot to make this large thing of soup. Okay, but I want you to see the bratwurst. And what I did, I cooked it, and then I took some paper towels and kind of drained the grease off. Just squeeze it until most of the grease was off. Okay, and to this, I have 2 large russet potatoes that I cut up and kind of diced them. So you want 2 large russet potatoes, and we're going to pour it in here. And also, right now, you're not going to add any salt, any black pepper, or garlic, because I put the garlic in there with the meat. And next, we're going to add 1 10-ounce bag of kale. And this kale was already cut up. You can actually buy bunches of kale and cut them up yourself, but I was a little lazy. So I just bought the bag. Make sure you rinse them off and drain them. So we're going to put this in here. Now you guys see why I needed a large pan. And again, this is called Zuppa Toscana. And it's the soup that Olive Garden makes. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. And don't worry about the kale. It's going to cook down. And then we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. So let's put this in here. And I'm going to put it on a medium heat just until the potatoes get fork tender. And after potatoes get fork tender, then we're going to come back and add the cream and bacon. But you guys, I just have to ask you something. Did you guys see Power? We need to protest 50 cents. It don't make no sense for ghosts to be that fine and devilish. I just had to tell you guys that when I watched it yesterday, I was like, oh my God, this man is fine. But anyway, let me get back to
Tommy
cooking.
fan.
She likes Tommy, and I'm down for Ghost, the man with the suit, but still kind of a bad boy. But anyway, I'm going to put this on a medium heat. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm too busy in the Power. Let's stir it up. Which, like I said, the kale will go down. Medium heat, covered until the potatoes get fork tender. Then I'll come back and finish it with the cream and bacon. Hang tight, you guys. Okay, you guys, with this Zuppa Toscana soup, I'm going to make garlic bread, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick how I do it. I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, granulated garlic. In here, I have a a half a stick of softened butter. You don't want it melted, you just want it softened. So I'm going to add that in here. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of parsley flakes. And you just want to take it and you just want to mix it all up. And how I like my garlic bread, this is a French loaf that my daughter got, and I just cut it into slices. I like to butter both sides and put it in a skillet. That way your bread is nice and soft, because when you put it on broiler, sometimes it makes your bread kind of hard. But I just wanted to show you this real quick, that the garlic bread is also going to go with the Zuppa Toscana soup. Stay connected, we're almost done with the soup. Okay, you guys, this is the kale and the potatoes, which is now part tender. And I want to do some corrections. My daughter is like, well, why do you always go back and change the recipe? Because when I bring it to you guys, it's my first time cooking it also. So I told you guys to add 2 cups of chicken broth, which mine was low sodium. You need 4.5 cups of chicken broth that is low sodium. And also, I added 2 chicken bouillon cubes to this, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. So what I'm going to do now is put the heavy cream in. Once I put the heavy cream in, I want you just to cut it off, pour the cream and cut it off. And I took some of the juice from this pot and just stirred it into the heavy cream, because I wanted to make sure, you know, it wouldn't coagulate or anything. So, and this is 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and it looks like a cup. That is because I added some liquid from the soup in here so it wouldn't coagulate. Okay, I'm just going to pour this in. And this is where you're going to get your creaminess from. Okay? Now let's just stir this up. Wow, you see that? I don't want to cook it anymore. Cut it off. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then at the end, we'll come back and add the bacon. Whew, we're almost done. Here is the finished product of the Zuppa Toscana soup. And on top, that's a crispy bacon. I did 5 strips, and then I got them extra crispy, and then I just sprinkled them on top. I'm going to plate this up, and my grandbaby is going to introduce the finished product to you guys.
Hey guys, welcome to Kingdom Barbecue. And here's all the recipes.
This is the finished product.
This is the finished product we made.
Of the soup.
All soup.
And what's with it?
This
Garlic toast.
garlic toast. So
Okay, look at them. And say thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, and
Please share
please share
and subscribe.
and subscribe our channel.
And say God bless you.
God bless you.
Until the next time.
We see you